rises early and he makes a sup of tea. He lights the kitchen stove and then he calls me. Well, his days are often empty, there's nothing left to do, and he sits and tells me stories of the traveling life he knew. In the evening they would be in lonely country lanes. I feel the way you'd hear a conny bark, and they'd pass the time away with talks about the day, playing around the campfire in the dark. And my mother lights the house, the hot water and the rooms. When it's warm in the winter, she's handy with the broom. Sometimes she makes whole cannon, more often griddle bread. And there's a hunger deep inside her for the traveling life that's dead. In the evening she would lift the black pots from the coal, a bit to eat she always would remark, and there'd be vessels left to clean while the children could be seen playing around the campfire in the dark. We go down to the pool hall to chat up the town bures. Sometimes at the discos we can't get past the doors, but we're still tinkers to them, and it's throwing at our ears. We're still the awful strangers after all these years. And I think about my own life and the way that it'll be. Oh, an escort van, a bit of tailing, a wife and a family. Well, Thursday I'd collect the dough, Friday pitch and toss. Oh, and on the side I think about the traveling ways we've lost, and I wish that I could rise, wash the sleep out of these eyes, and listen to the sweet song of the lark. Oh, and I wish that I could be in a campfire company, with the sound of horses moving in the dark, with the sound of horses moving in the dark.